Hi, my name is Katherine Becvar, and I am the SpringShare admin for both Diablo Valley College and Contra Costa College. I want to present at SpringyCamp about the using the statistics from our LTI integration with Canvas to help me plan out guides and to identify gaps where we have students looking for guides that we don't have. So for the past few years, I've been reviewing our LTI placement statistics on both of my campuses and using the information that I find to help me plan out and triage what guides students are looking for that we have that we need to refresh, and also that we don't have and we need to create. So you can see on the screen right now, I've got statistics from a bunch of administration of justice classes that we teach at DVC, and I discovered that the placeholder guide was showing up for them. There's 132 times somebody went looking for library stuff in those classes, and we didn't have anything to show them besides just a generic, here's how to do research. So I then went on to create an administration of justice guide for those classes. And so I've used all of the statistics from, placements to look at, these are guides that we need to replace and refresh, and also looking at, what statistics hits we got for guides that we didn't already have, like chemistry, drama, math, music, world history, so I've been using the statistics from our LTI, the integration with LibGuides and Canvas, and I've been using that to help me plan out what guides we're missing and what guides we need to, be visiting more frequently to keep updated. So that's what I want to present about at SpringyCamp.